Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Pairing a UC7225T remote to your ceiling fan is a simple process that anyone can do. This remote is a common replacement for many fan brands. First, you need to turn off the power to the fan at the wall switch. Wait about 30 seconds before you begin. Open the battery cover on the back of your remote control. Look for a small button labeled Learn or Pair. Sometimes this button is hidden near the batteries. Now, turn the power back on at the wall switch. You must act quickly because the fan stays in pairing mode for only 60 seconds. Point the remote at the fan and press the Learn button down. Hold the button for about 5 seconds. You might see the fan light flash or hear a beep. This means the pairing was successful. If the light does not flash, try the process again. Make sure the batteries are fresh and installed correctly. Some models use dip switches instead of a Learn button. If yours has switches, match the pattern inside the remote to the pattern on the receiver. The receiver is located inside the fan canopy. Ensure all switches are pushed all the way up or down. Once the patterns match, the remote should work immediately. Test the fan speed and light buttons to be sure. If you have multiple fans, pair them one at a time. This prevents the remote from controlling the wrong fan. Keep the remote within range during the setup. Now your UC7225T remote is fully synced and ready for daily use in your home. It provides extra comfort and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.